Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where I spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. And in this video, I am going to share a big box of joy and fabric play right here. I was contacted by Precuts Quilt Box, and after she told me what the contents of the box were, I was absolutely honored that she had requested for me to unbox it for all of you, because I know that what is in here is going to be pretty spectacular. So let's get to some unboxing, everybody. But before we do, how about you subscribe? How about you give it a thumbs up? Now let's open some boxes. So, the drama of opening a box. Aww. Thank me for doing it. Now this is a personal letter, so I'm not going to read it out loud. But she's really darling. The company is amazing. Like, really check them out. Let me see what else is in here. What's in the box? So the price of it is 55 bucks. And, ooh, either 16 fat quarters or 4 yards of fabric. Ah! This one is Legendary by Pat Bravo. And the pattern in it is Bohemian Caravan by Moira, Cavalho. And the closing date for this is on the 20th of each month. So if you want to snatch this one, you still have some time. So let's quit talking so much and open the box. Great presentation. Love the sticker. Precuts Quilt Box. Oh, there's thread? Is there thread? You should always use 50 weight thread, recommended for quilting. Oh, but there's candy. What's in here? I just want to see. I need to know. So no thread in here. What is all this? Oh, look! About the fabric designer. So Pat Bravo and Moira de Carvalho are the two highlighted in here. This is a valued box of 67 bucks, and you're getting it for 55 bucks. So candy, I don't think that I'm gonna share this with Helena. I think I'm gonna eat it all by myself. So let's just get this stuff out of here. Like, honestly, I'm jazzed to share with you my opinions about this stuff. So this is the pattern. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Do y'all see this? That is pretty amazing of a quilt. I've already made a legendary quilt, but if I hadn't, I would make this one because it's spectacular and it really shows off the print. Way to go, Moira. This is an awesome pattern. I'm not going to open it in case there's any like proprietary information, but just the pattern itself, like, this is a solid one. And then there is this fabric, which is Legendary by Pat Bravo. Those of you who may or may not know, you probably know, but Pat Bravo is one of my good friends, and she's a creative director of Art Gallery Fabrics. And even before, like, I knew her, like, I was obsessed with all of her designs because it tickled my fancy. It made me happy. Like, I didn't even know about, like, designers for fabric, but I gravitated to hers naturally because it really, really hit my aesthetic as a maker. And then this Legendary collection, this one is her 40th collection with Art Gallery Fabrics. That is insane. And it is a recoloration, reprinting of some of her most popular prints. And the colors are insane. If you haven't seen my free Legendary Squares pattern that I have up, like, it was just squares, and honestly, it's the most beautiful quilt I've ever made, and it's because of this. So let's see what's here. Make sure that it's in the frame. Okay, this is the frame here. I'm gonna talk about some fabrics. Let me separate it, see if I can create the gradient right here. Like, it's so special, this collection. Just the prints and the colors. I literally freaked out when I first saw it. Oh, you're watching me, like, create a gradient as we go. So this is how I do it. This may or may not be the same gradient that I did before. It's probably not. But essentially, I just look for commonalities between two prints And then I just go to town. So, boom, shake the room, boom, boom, shake the room. And this is the new gradient that I have of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know there's 16 in here. Oh, there it is. 16 prints. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to open up a couple of these because I love them. And this one is my favorite. I have like 8 yards of this one. This one's even in a knit. This is a fat quarter. Oh, Moira, that pattern's so amazing. I might just have to make it, honestly. It's really good. What is the name of this? I don't know the name of the prints. I wish I did. And then this one's in this color, but then look. It's an orange. And I'm going to have to refold all this pretty. And then, so this is a yellow. This one's like an orange, a lighter one. Ah, I just love this. And then this print, I am obsessed with this color. Like, it's like an orangey coral. It is amazing. Where are the other ones? And then see, look at how different it is in a teal. Same print, recolored. Like, look at this. Pat is a color wizard. She's just amazing with color. The things that I learned from her and working with her as a designer is crazy. She just has a gift. Some people have a gift, and she has a gift of color. And it's pretty miraculous, and I'm absorbing everything I can. So there's that one. Oh, this one. This is another one. I love this one. Oh, look at, and even if you wanted to, you could like cut this out, have it like as a centerpiece of a block. That looks like it's like 8 inches, an 8-inch repeat. Really love this. And it's this one right here. And what? This one I've shown you. Oh, this one. This is another one that you can get some panels out of. Look at that. That's just spectacular. And then another one. I'm going to go ahead and open them all up just because why not? I get to talk about fabric. Look at, see coloring. Just the coloring, how different it is. Whoa. Pat, you're a genius. Okay, and then there are these 2 prints. And then this one. And there's another. Is there a partner of this one? Yes. Partner. One more. And then another one. Okay, I have officially shared this entire box of goodness. And I love it. Like, it's amazing. It's like I'm getting a hug from Pat right now. And that's how it's going to feel whenever you play with this collection because it's quite special. I didn't have plans to make an entire quilt whenever I got the collection, but when I had it in my hands, I was like, wow, there's no choice but for me to make a quilt. And I honestly might make this one too. That's how much I love this. I would pay for this box. Absolutely. I would pay full price for this box. The fact that you can get it for 55 bucks, that's pretty awesome. So I would say this is a must-have box. 1, it's one of my best friends. And then 2, it's just really quality stuff. It's art gallery fabrics, folks. You can't go wrong with it. If you want to, there's information in the link below. And make sure to snatch it before it runs out. I don't know how quickly this is going to run out, but hopefully by me doing a video, some of y'all will want to join this subscription club. So if you enjoyed this video, got a laugh or a tip or a trick, or love the fabric even, and like, if you love this fabric and can't stand me, go ahead and thumbs up, because you know what? There's something good going on here. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.